to get a little closer.
Oh.
He's all grown up now. He's all grown up. He's like 12 hours old.
Yeah.
Hey, little
Oh, he's
fella.
cold too. He's
Hey,
cold.
little fella. Can you hold him up so he can burp?
Oh, look, he's cold.
Oh, put him on your shoulder then. There we go. He's just a tiny little guy. Hey, little fella. Hey, little fella. Blip. Bip.
Oh. 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 What?
Oh, he needs to burp good. We can get a burp out of there.
What's he doing?
He's just kind of turning different colors.
Okay, say bye to Papa.